let's talk about how much conditioner you should be putting when you're using these products. So in previous videos, we talked a little bit about the scalp comfort. This is a very gentle exfoliant. And then you go with your shampoo. Depending on your needs, that's the type of product that you're going to be choosing. So you did your treatment, you did your shampoo, now we're going to go in with your conditioner. This is one of those things that you can build on it. You don't need a whole bunch of conditioner. This right here is completely fine. I feel like a lot of people understand that they don't have to put it on their scalp, but there is conditioners that can go on your scalp. The IR Clinical conditioner can go on your scalp, especially if you have a really short hair or a spot somewhere that doesn't have hair. You can put a little bit of conditioner there. If it's a normal, maybe an anti-frizz or a breakage conditioner, you're going to go in and it's nice and damp. You squeeze out the water. You are just being very gentle, putting it on your end, both sides, and any extra, you can rake it through the top of your hair. You don't want some dry hair on the top. Now in the next video, I'm going to show you how to do an oil treatment because those are just as important.